How to pin a comment in a TikTok video. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. Now first of all, launch the TikTok application on your device and make sure that you are logged into your account. As you're logged into your account, tap on your profile at the bottom right corner of the screen. That will lead you to your profile section, and simply what you need to do is tap on any of the posts that you want to pin a comment on. So just let me remind you that in order to pin a comment, it needs to have access to you. So you need to be the admin. It needs to be your own profile in order to pin a comment. So let's tap on the comment section and check. And here what you simply need to do is make a long press on the comment. So let's make a long press, and as we tap on the comment, so we can just make a long press, and here as you can see there's no direct option to pin a comment. Maybe it's because we only have one comment as of now. So you can just tap on manage multiple comments, and here you'll be able to see there's no other options. So maybe if we have more than one comment, then we'll be able to pin a comment in TikTok video. So that's it. Thank you so much for watching this video. See you next time.